ZTE Axon 7 and let me show you how to set up this device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the following welcome screen. Let's choose your desired language, in my case it would be English. Tap next. So here you can connect your device to a Wi-Fi. It's not necessary, but I usually recommend this step to have the internet access. So let me connect my device. Let's tap OK. Let's choose next right here. You can also insert the SIM card, but you can activate your device without the SIM card, so let me do it that way. Tap skip for now. Here let me agree to all of the following terms and conditions. You can also here sign in or register into the ZTE service. In my case, let me skip it. Let me skip also the fingerprint and tap start now. Alright, that's it. You just activate your device, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.